I look at this picture, I don't show it to them. And I describe it. They just listen to it. And then I close the book and I give the book to them and I ask them, now I described the picture to you, you understood what was in the picture, now you find that picture which I described. What ability of theirs, language abilities, is it developing? I describe the picture, to them, then I close the book and I give it to them and you say, find the picture which I described. What language ability is it developing? I describe the picture, give it to you and give it to you and to find the picture, and you are able to find it accurately. Due to what ability? Ability to comprehend what I am saying. Comprehension of language is much more important than expression. Comprehension, do you know the meaning of comprehensions? What is comprehension? I am just making a sound, blah, 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 blah. I am making these sounds. But those sounds fall on your ears and you give them meaning. That is called comprehension. Learning is more the comprehension of language, spoken language. Happens first before expression. This is what happens when you're too much this thing focused on speech. Speech for the child. Speech. And see what is the comprehension. See what is your comprehension level. This is what it is testing. I have made sounds, and you, because of your English language comprehension, you are able to make the sense out of it. The same words fall on the ears of a Japanese. Is that comprehension going to take place?
No.
You can hear, you can talk his own language. A comprehension of language is more important. I've been telling you all the time. Rather than he is not saying the thing correctly and she is not saying the thing correctly and she only says how to make her do this. Arey, what about her comprehension? You should do more activities as far as the comprehension. Anything that the child hears, he should be able to say. And everything he is not being able to say, understand. Now just see, I said the wrong thing. Everything that he hears, he is not able to understand. So he should have that intellectual curiosity to say, just now you said this, meaning what? That is what normal children do, and that is how they enhance their own comprehension, their own vocabulary, the new experiences, by telling you, because they are listening carefully. They are listening very carefully. They are very interested in their adults, what they are talking, what they are saying, what they are doing, in their parents, siblings, parent and sibling interaction. They are very, very interested, more than anything that I can do. Interested. Whatever their parents are talking to each other, to their children, to their friends, what they are doing, they are interested more in that. And the child is focused onto that right from infanthood, babyhood. And that ability, because they keep on listening to it in such a way, seeing the events happen, they develop the comprehension. And any little, of course there are lots of things which the child is not understanding, but the child is so focused on to understanding that he will pester the mother. Manje kai, mujhe malum nahi, bolo na. What is the meaning of this? You said this means what? All this they will keep saying. Okay? Where, in what situation, what place people are talking, that same language, no matter where, in your sleep, to comprehend what the people are saying is an ability which you have to cultivate in depth, much more than their ability to speak. We learn from hearing other people speak, not just at home or in school, but on the roads, on the trail, wherever. We ask people, or we hear two people talking on the road. We are standing at a bus stop and two people are talking. I think there has been a strike, so ये आवाज बस नहीं आएगी. ये आपको सुनना है, समझना है, and you are going to learn from it. नहीं समझेगा तो खड़े रहोगे. Isn't that so? And your attention on the road, inside the house, wherever it is, must be focused on what people are talking and ability to understand them. The child is naturally focused onto that. And when he doesn't understand, he immediately asks. Even a grown-up who has this curiosity. Today a mother, she was there in the morning, and she asked me one